Hello bridge players, how are you? Welcome once again to the channel. Today we're going to talk about how to make money on BBO. As you know, you can deposit money in your BB dollars balance, like this one here, in the yellow tab that appears once you get in BBO. And this will allow you to play many tournaments, some from MBOs, some from BBO. These tournaments, some of them, give points, master points, which you can use to earn your way towards a number. For example, at this moment I am at 38. It means that I have gotten here by playing tournaments that give points up to that level. But is it depositing money the only way to get money on BBO? Well, it isn't. You can, for example, play a tournament called the Day-Long Reward. It's an 8 random boards tournament where you have to get as many total points as you can, and this will get you to, if you earn more than, let's say, 600 points in the 8 hands, which are random, you can get some money back. It costs only $1 to play this tournament, as you can see, but you can get as much as $4 if you earn 3,000 points in one day. Then we have the Zenith. The Zenith is also, in my opinion, the best way to get money back on BBO. You can also play for $1, and if during the 16 hands that appear, which are also random, you get to 55% or more, you can get money back. As I said, 55 will get you your dollar back, and more than that, for example, let's say 60 something, will give you $2 or $3. You can also play the robot tournaments. These two, like the robot reward, best hand $1. You play for 15 minutes, as many hands as you can play, and if you are the best, you can get a percentage of what the people who played paid there. So this is, I believe, the way to get more dollars if you get to play, let's say, with 8 or 12 other players. Another one, and probably this is the worst of them all, is this one where you can, by paying $1, play 12 hands in 45 minutes. This is very important, against the people who are playing too. And if you get to 55% at the end of those 12 boards, then you get $1.50 back, which means that you win 50 cents if you get to 55%. And of course, get to keep the dollar that you paid. Of all of this, my favorite is the Zenith, since you can get money back, but also you earn a lot of BBO points, which, as I said, help you in the race for a big number next to your name. By playing these tournaments, you can get then some dollars back from the ones you put, and it will allow you to play some tournaments that you have to pay to play. For example, the ACBL has tournaments where you need to pay to play, and you can even pay for your partner in some pairs tournaments. And in this way, you can use this money that you earn in the day-long tournaments and in the robot tournaments, and of course, increase the number next to your name, which indicates how many master points or how many BBO master points you hold. Check out then that if you get to 75, you're number one in the day long, that is one day, you can win up to $366.27 BBO Masterpoints. And of course, uh, the less percentage you make, the less money you can make. But even if you make sometimes 53, sometimes 54, you can get your dollar back at the very least. And in this way, you can play this tournament and, well, get prizes and get master points. Same with a random reward. If you win 4,000 points in those 8 hands, you can get to $4.57, 10 master points. And the least you can get to get your money back is 600 and something. But even if you get a little less, you can still get some BBO dollars back. And of course, some master points. So are you going to become a millionaire by playing on BBO? Of course not. But with this money earned here, you can pay for the tournaments that you play. You can pay for your partner if you play tournaments with a partner that are with a fee. And of course, you can also earn master points for BBO and get a bigger number next to your name. So as usual, I ask you to leave your like in YouTube and to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. See you next time. Bye.